Hey everyone, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration Channel. Working on not a car today, actually going to work on this Chicago electric welding helmet that I have had for several years. I've done a lot of welding with this, but I've gotten older, and like a lot of you, my eyes ain't as good as they used to be, and so I'm going to need to add a magnifier to this. So I'm going to be adding a magnifier. And first of all, I'm going to clean the lenses, clean the protectors up here first, and using one of these little like glasses wiping pads. And so get that right in there. So, but as a help, clean the inner lens. And then my outer protector lens, which I need to replace. You're supposed to keep them more scratch free than this, but like a lot of guys, I just toss my helmet on the bench, and so that's what I deal with. So these little protectors are expensive nowadays. So anyhow, those are clean, and we'll clean inside the helmet here. So clean the glass here. Okay. So this is pretty straightforward. I got this Lincoln electric. This is a 2x magnifier, 2.00 diopter. Okay, and it has looks like it can go different directions, but it actually has a lip here and here, and then the lenses are this way. So I'm going to actually put the flat side towards me, and then what it does, because it has those ridges on there, there's these plastic ridges on each side here. I don't know if you can see that a little bit better, but there's plastic, a little ridge here and a little ridge here. So this actually just drops over top of those, and then you have your little metal bail, right? A little metal bail like that holds in that whole mechanism, and there, it's installed. So you can put this back over it if you want to also, or inside of it, I should say. It actually would go in here. So see how easily it comes back out. But this can go in here to protect it. There, like that. And this can go back on. All right. So I've been touching that with my grubby paws. Wipe it off. All right. And then I'll put my protector back in. Anyways, that's all there is to it. So now I got a magnifying lens in there. Hopefully it'll help my welding be a little better. Take it easy, guys. We'll catch you later on.